Hey guys, today I'm going to be making Strawberry Falooda using the Laziza Strawberry Falooda mix. So let's get started. So what I'll be using today is the Laziza Strawberry Falooda mix. I will be using strawberries, but you can use any type of fruit you would like. And I'm going to be using French vanilla ice cream. You can use any type of ice cream you would like. I'm going to be using French vanilla. And finally, you'll also need 1 cup of milk. So let's get started. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my milk into my pot, and then I'm going to add some water. And now I'm going to mix it, and while I'm mixing it, I'm going to add the Falooda mix. So now we're going to let it cook for about 15 minutes. Once it is cooked for 15 minutes, you can put it in the fridge to let it cool off. So now I'm going to add my ice cream into a bowl, and I'm going to pour my Falooda mix over it. And then I will be adding my strawberries on top. And there you have it, Strawberry Falooda. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my video.